Hi guys, Anna here. Today I would like to share more details about my upcoming AutoCAD 2D drafting course for interior designers. It will be launched later on this year, most likely fall. So let's take a look at the details of the course.
So diving into the course itself, we will learn about all of the tools that are offered by AutoCAD, and we will learn how to use them and how to draft. We will also learn how to produce floor plans, as well as we're going to dive into how to use layers properly. We will also learn how to produce construction plans, reflected ceiling plans, power plans, elevations, finish plans, schedules, etc. And of course, we will learn how to PDF our work. So basically, everything that you need to know as an interior designer will be covered in this course. And as a bonus, you will receive title blocks for different sheet sizes, as well as blocks, symbols, legends that you may use for your own work, and as well as examples of my work like elevations, sections, details that you might use as reference for your own projects. And the course will be available later this year. And so if you are interested in the course, don't forget to pre-register on the web. So you can basically go here to the courses, pre-register, and you can provide with your name and with your email address. And I will make sure to send out the information about the course as soon as it's available.